morning, class.
Good morning, madam.
Welcome back from the weekend. My name is Madam Vitame Prescovia, and I'm a teacher of physics and mathematics. But here I am going to take you through physics. I expect maximum cooperation from you guys. So we need to know each other. So if I ask a question and you're giving us any response, I will expect you to tell us your name.
Yes, madam.
Okay. So you have been looking at the theme called light in many aspects, and you know that light has certain properties. You looked at reflection as one of the properties of light. Then you also had refraction. So you must know how to differentiate between those two. We have reflection and then also what? Refraction. So who remembers what we talked about reflection? Yes, please.
Yes, madam. My name is Jaglan.
Yes, please.
Reflection is the bouncing back of light when it meets an opaque object.
And it means an opaque object.
An opaque surface.
Surface. Thank you so much, Timothy, for your response.
Yes.
You also have an idea?
My name is David. Reflection is the bouncing back of light rays as they hit a shiny surface.
So I've said, thank you for your information. I said reflection is a bouncing of light when it meets a shiny surface. So sometimes you can be like in a far place, but then when you look at certain iron sheets, you see some certain rays of light coming back into your eyes. So that is what you call reflection of light. So when light bends on a shiny small surface, or it can also be shiny but rough. So when light falls on it, and then it is going to be reflected back. So that was reflection of light. We want to look at another property of light, which is called refraction. So I'm sure that most of you have had certain experiences, but you really don't know what is happening.
Yes.
You have, like I have an illustration here. You may get maybe a coin, and then you drop it into a pencil.
Yes.
But when you look at that coin,
Yes.
when you look at the surface, you realize that the coin appears to be at the top. So I have a coin here, and I am going to throw it into this water. And I want you guys to come and observe and tell me what you see. Look from the top of the surface. What do you see?
I can see as if it is here. If I look through it, as if its level is at this point.
So he has told us that the coin appears to be at that point. But in reality, for you, you have thrown that coin into water, so you expect it to be at the base. But when you look at the surface of the water, this coin appears to be at a certain distance, not at the normal base of that thing. So that tells us that refraction exists. So we need to know what made that coin. So the first example, we had dropped a coin into that thing, and now we also put a pen into the same thing. And I think you still get to see the same observation.
Yes, madam.
So now from today onwards, you should be able to tell your friends. So from today onwards, you should be able to explain to your friends the reason as why this happens like that.
Yes, it is big and it is not meeting at the same point.
It is very big and it's not
Not
As
meeting
if this
as
one is different from the
As
other
if
one.
the upper one, which is above the surface of the water, is smaller than the one inside the
and it is
water.
not in contact. The
And
one
it's
in
not
water
in
is
a
this side.
contact.
The other side.
Yeah, so from today you should be able to explain to your friends what that is. And then we also have certain instances, for example, when you also put maybe, okay, you drop something in the swimming pool, you observe the same thing. So I think that is it. So the key terms in this topic, I want you to write down this. The key terms, first we shall start with the refraction itself. So as we are studying along the way, we are going to be meeting such terms and you need to know them. Yes, along the way, not that maybe in one lesson, but as you keep on studying, you will be meeting such terms and you need to know their meanings. So, for now, I'll leave it there, but so those are the key terms. I need you to find out the meanings to those. For today, I will only tell you about it, refraction. So, if you have